everyone, welcome back to GreyWolf Towers. So today is going to be a little different. I am actually reading from a script, so I'd like to hear everyone's opinions at the end if it's better than normal videos or not. But today we have something a little special for all of the gaming enthusiasts out there. So we're unboxing the RedDragon Nix M914 wireless gaming mouse. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So as we open up the box, you should see that the box itself is sealed. And for those of you that have watched our other videos, you'll know that that is something that we do like to see. It means that it is not opened already, which isn't always perfect, but is helpful information. So inside the box, you see the mouse and its cable. So let's go ahead and take a peek here. So looking at the mouse, you will notice that it has a sleek design to it. The mouse does have some features that are going to stand out. These features are according to the manufacturer. I have not tried them out myself yet. So the cable itself is a USB-C cable to USB-A, so it'll plug into any computer. It does have a USB-C port on the mouse so that you can use it to charge the battery. It is wireless, or you can also use it in a wired mode using the cable. So that leads us actually into the first benefit or feature, which is that it has multiple connection modes, one being the wired, one being the regular 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and then it also has Bluetooth. My understanding, however, is that with the Bluetooth mode, it does lack the ability to use the software to change the colors, whereas with wireless and wired mode, using the 2.4 gigahertz wireless, you do have the ability to alter the colors on the mouse using the software. So the second main feature that the manufacturer points out is the fact that it is a USB-C detachable cable, which gives you the ability to transfer data as well as charge, which gives you the ability to set the colors and charge at the same time. The mouse does also offer 10,000 DPI, which is a rather high DPI mode, which means that its accuracy should be pretty good. You may, however, have to go into settings and alter some settings in order for it to be a little more accurate, but it does give you really good precision with 10,000 DPI. It is also ultra-fast wireless technology, meaning the 2.4 gigahertz, so it does have a decent speed. I don't know what the ultra-fast actually is as far as transfer speeds, but I'm assuming probably in the N range, which would be above 54 megabits per second, so it should be good. They do say that the quote-unquote ultra-fast wireless technology is lag-free in gaming, but I won't know until I try it out. So they do also say that the buttons are customizable, at least some of them. So it has 9 buttons on the mouse. There's the regular left and right click, which is your first 2. You've got the scroll, which actually feels nice scrolling it here. That is also pressable as a button. You'll have 3 buttons up here, which are going to most likely be DPI up and down, and then the RGB on and off. And then on, when you're holding it, the left side where your thumb rests, it has a forwards and backwards buttons, as well as what they describe in the box and everything as a fire button. So that one should be programmable. Just holding the mouse, reaching to that button is kind of uncomfortable, so that one may take some getting used to. The back and forward buttons above it, though, are easily gotten to. They don't feel just uncomfortable or anything. The mouse itself does feel comfortable in the hand. It is supposed to be 101 grams, if I remember correctly, on the weight. So it is not a lightweight mouse, but it is also not overly heavy. So they do say that you can assign custom macros to the buttons or shortcuts to the buttons using the software. And then, of course, the other feature that I have is that it is RGB, where you can actually alter it with the software. So it does offer programmable patterns and things like that. So that is in essence, the M914 Nix RedDragon mouse. I know that it is going to be interesting to get the hang of. It is going to take some getting used to, sitting it down and everything on my hand, or in my hand rather. But for now, that is everything for our unboxing and overview of the RedDragon Nix M914 wireless gaming mouse. It is clear that this mouse is packed with a bunch of features that are designed to enhance your gaming experience, and in the right situations should benefit those that use it. If you want to know more, keep tuned to our channel, as we will hopefully be posting a review of the mouse explaining how it performs for us personally, and so that may give some additional feedback on this specific design. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any comments or questions about the mouse, the channel, or about myself. And then, as always, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, generally in this area over here, so that you can keep up to date on our new videos and our community section as we make posts. Have a great day. Bye for now.